Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDC from your Arculus wallet to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're managing your crypto for investments or daily use, this process is essential for seamless asset movement. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and funded. You'll need the Arculus app installed on your device and Phantom wallet connected to your browser or mobile. Also, double-check that you're on the correct blockchain network. USDC typically uses Solana or Ethereum, so align them to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet and navigate to your USDC balance. Look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Once you're in, you'll need the recipient address from your Phantom wallet. So, hop over to Phantom, go to the Receive section, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent any accidental losses. Step 2. Back in Arculus, paste the Phantom address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network fees. They're often minimal but can add up. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm or Send. You'll likely see a transaction confirmation screen. Approve it with your wallet's security features. Step 3. Wait for the transaction to process. On most networks, this takes just a few seconds to a minute. Once it's done, switch back to your Phantom wallet and refresh the page. Your USDC should appear in your balance shortly. If it doesn't, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Solana's or Etherscan. A quick word on potential issues. If you encounter errors, it might be due to network congestion or incorrect settings. Try switching networks if needed. Always use official apps to avoid scams. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your USDC. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.